Okay, everybody, I'd like to show you how to get started on a project. And the presentation you're going to do, Adobe actually calls a web page. So how you do it, these are some of mine that I've already done. This is container gardening, and this is the one you saw, the Harbor Towns of Lake Michigan, in the sample here in Moodle. But to get to where you can start a new one, you go to this blue plus up here. Click once, click. And here's some templates, some things you could start with, but I want you to go clear to the bottom and choose Create a Web Page. Okay, now the first thing I want to do is find a theme. So I'm going to do flowers, so maybe something pretty with flowers. Let's do this one. We'll do storybook. Okay. Now add a title. I'll say Beautiful Flowers. Oops, wait a minute. Here we go. B-E-A-U-T. Okay. And subtitle, Beautiful Flowers that add color to your life. Okay, now, so that's my, now I want to add a picture to this. So I'll click this little plus sign and put a photo. Okay, now up here, add photos. I'll use these Find Free Photos. Okay, and right now I think I would like to find roses. Roses, and here, return. Here's all the beautiful roses. Okay, this will be the one that'll be my cover page. So let's see, I like this one. There it is. Okay, so there's my cover. So now it says scroll to start writing your story. And, whoops, wait a minute, scroll to start writing your story. Here we go. Now I'm going to put some text in here. And I'm going to go to H1, remember in the assignment to use some of these. I'll go to H1 and I'll say pink flowers. Okay, now after that I want to click the next plus. Oh wait, first of all I will highlight this. And remember I said to use these. I'm going to go ahead and center this too. Okay, so now let's see what happens if I do H2. That's kind of small. Here's like a quote. I'm not going to do that, so I'm going to go H1. Now, I'm going to go ahead, and I said you can do all kinds of photos. Here you did a photo that was just in line. Now, I'm going to go ahead and do a photo grid to show you how to do that. And all you do there is, let's see, pink flowers. You'll go ahead and double click that, and I'll double click this one. I'll double click pink flowers. I'll double click, oh, these are roses. Let's do pink flowers. Okay, P-I-N-K, flowers. Okay, and hit return. Okay, here's all kinds of pretty pink flowers. Oh, I like this. Oh, you double click it, okay, and it'll make a grid for you. Now I'll double click this one. I like this one. Now you see how it's making a grid for you. And let's see, let's do a darker one here. Because I've got, whoops, it replaced it. Oh no, it didn't. Okay, let's do maybe another one. Nah, let's see. Pink flowers. Oh, I kind of like that one. And there's your grid. There's your grid that it created. And as soon as my little wheel quits, then you have to save it. Okay, so here's what I've got. I've got the grid that I asked you, and you can add a caption if you want, or you don't have to. And then you just do this again. You'll go ahead and type and say, I don't know, blue flowers. Okay, now what I'm going to do is I'm going to highlight it, and I'm going to make it heading 1 again, and I'm going to center it. Okay, blue flowers. Now I'm going to go look for some blue flowers. This time I'll do a photo, and I'll put up here blue, B-L-U-E, and hit return. Now I'm going to get a bunch of blue flowers. So I kind of like, ooh, I like this one. So I'll double click it. So there it is. Now here's where you get to choose how you're going to lay it out in here. Okay, you can do full screen, but that can get a little overwhelming. So I'm going to go, window is actually when you scroll around, it sort of opens it up. It's like it's in a window. You could do that. And caption, you can double click on there and say pretty or whatever you want. Okay, and hit return. So there's blue flowers. Now I want to get some more. So I'll do photos again. And I'll go ahead and do I don't know, there's some pretty ones. This one, there's another pretty one. Now this one, let's see, yeah, this one, if you click on it, maybe I'll do this one in a window. Okay, that'll be in a window. So let's go get another flower. And of course you can put a caption in there. And let's do photo. And then I'll show you what this slide is. Blue flowers, let's do, oh, this one's pretty. Okay, now here, the full screen, full width, inline, fill screen, window, full width. Okay, there was a slide. Okay, we'll just do full width, and then you'll see what that is. But you just keep on, and you can do the caption here too. And I want you, if there's any place to put any text within the picture, to write something there too. So I hope this gets you started. Good luck with it, and just have fun with it.